If you happen to be out of battery for the K-fob, so the battery is so low it will not start. So basically I did remove the battery from this guy. Sorry about the noise. And if I try to press, keep the brake pedal and press it, it will say K not detected. That's because the battery is so weak. But you have this pictogram and says press with the battery again. So keep your brake pedal depressed and it's starting. So that's really impressive. And again, my battery is out. Let me just stop it if you want, but yeah, so that's how it works. And remember to replace your battery when you see that low K battery message. Remember to replace it timely. Also, you can unlock the doors. Let me just show for the people. So this is the mechanical K in there. You can unlock the doors by pressing this button and pull it the mechanical key. And the battery takes its 2032. Keep your K away from the car, inside the house, as far away you can, so it doesn't communicate and doesn't drain the battery too fast. Careful not to put it nearby a cell phone because it can interfere with the cell phone. This works only for these models 2000 above 15 and up. This is a Sonata, but all of them, Tucson and stuff, will work this way. And again, remember how I did press. I did keep it like this. So really press the K against, and don't forget to keep the brake pedal depressed. Save you from maybe some weird situation. Thanks for watching.